Dear friends, welcome to the Love from the Kitchen channel. Today I am preparing very tasty schnitzels made of minced meat. The preparation is simple, so I strongly recommend that you stay with me until the very end of the video. To begin with, I prepared 5 kilograms of ground beef, half a kilogram of red onion and 10 eggs. It is necessary to combine the ingredients well. If this is your first time on the channel, I invite you to subscribe to the channel for free in order to be notified of each subsequent video. After combining the ingredients by hand, it is necessary to mash the meat with the help of a masher. You can also use a blender for this step. Use spices as desired. I used a mixture of spices, salt, pepper, red pepper, granulated garlic, chili, and curry seasoning. In the description of the video, you can find the necessary ingredients as well as their quantity. I ground the spices in a blender, added a spoonful of oregano, 2 spoons of parsley, and poured over 500 milliliters of mineral water. Add the spices to the meat and mix everything together. Write in the comments from which country you follow me. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. And finally, I add 500 grams of breadcrumbs. Cover and leave in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. In the meantime, prepare the baking paper, which must be cut to the size of the mold in which you will shape the meat schnitzels. I form balls of meat so that each ball weighs 200 grams. As a mold, I used lids that are normally used for hot plates. See below how to get the perfect shape of stuffed steaks. My dears, that would be all about the preparation. See below how the meat schnitzels look when they are baked. Steaks do not change shape when fried. You can bake them in a pan or in the oven, they are equally delicious. If you liked this recipe, leave me a like and subscribe to the channel for free. Until the next video, greetings.